Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns bafethu uDivine Lunga lodlale kahle kakhulu lapha ku-FIFA Club World Cup. Kuvela ama-rumor kuthiwa attract interest lapha ne-United States of America, but i-agent lakhe uMike udecide ukunga-dive deep into yona le ndaba lena, asho ukuthi bona bakatholi i-formal offer, but ekugcineni uthe ama-rumors ahlezi ekhona yabo. Uthi ngeke abe surprise if khona i-team interested kuLunga because uLunga udlale kahle kakhulu lapha ku-FIFA Club World Cup. Sikhumbule ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns bafethu left back, it's highly competitive that side. uLunga ushayise uModiba i-tournament yonke ibench. Cabanga uModiba, Aubrey Modiba was expected to play at least a single game-ke ku-FIFA Club World Cup. Guess what? 0. uLunga uthathe le opportunity le wayigrabha with both hands, walwa ngempela, waziprove ukuthi yazini uyi-warrior. Bekangayanga lapha eAmerica kuyodlala nje yabo, bekawuzi-advertise nanokuthi asithengise yena emhlabeni jikelele yabo, and ukwenzile lokhu kwenze kahle kakhulu yabo. Yakhala-ke ibheji kuModiba, South African left back. As things stand, uLunga ngathi uzoba u-number 1, uzofavor i-coach yamaMamelodi Sundowns, but I think maybe kuzoya ngama-systems are different ukuthi bafuna ukudlala ibhola elinjani yabo. If maybe iMamelodi Sundowns iyadominate kulo game leyidlala ne-team nje engeke ba-attack-a kakhulu, u-Aubrey Modiba u-perfect kulo system because he's able to contribute going forward kakhulu. uLunga-ke yena-ke u-powerful ngokudefenda, but in terms of a-contribution going forward, ukulinka with ama-6 even ama-forwards nama-wings akekho that good, but i-defense yakhe isolid ngempela. If you're looking at maybe to defend and to add like the more aggression, and then you'd go for uDivine Lunga. Then if you are dominating the game but ubheka ukuthi maybe iMamelodi Sundowns izokhipha let's say 70% of the ball or more, le team lezobe idlala neMamelodi Sundowns izobe icabanga nje ukudefenda isikhathi esiningi, so dlala uModiba, so bayakwazi ukucomplementana anyway kuleya position leya, but kunzima kakhulu ngempela ukudlala kuleya position. Zimkhalele-ke Aubrey Modiba, maybe naye akakholwanga ukuthi azange adlale nemeshi yodwa laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup, uye nje wahlalela ebhentshini, but I think congratulations to Lunga, man. Even if i-deal ya-overseas iyafika, I think uyayideserve. I mean, what a performance. First game FIFA Club World Cup, in fact first half first 20 minutes he was too exposed, but ke wabuya wagain confidence yakhe back to the game, and then he gave solid performance yabo. One of the standout players for iMamelodi Sundowns ku-FIFA Club World Cup. So ibamba laba fethu. Danko, ningakhohlwa ukulike ni-subscribe.